Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. So guys, for today's video, I have new on this. Ayan. The green one. Ayan, green. And then, brown one guys. So, okay. This is very nice guys. Ayan, large na siya guys. Ayan, maganda yung kanyang fittings. And then, ganito siya sa likod. And then, ganito siya sa harap, guys. Ayan, double siya, guys. So, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Ayan. So, ito siya yung green. Okay. And then, suit natin to siya, guys. It's very fit to me. Large na siya. And then, I really like it, guys. Ito siya yung low cut. This is low cut panties, okay? The second one naman is the, ayan. Maganda naman siya. This one is brown. Ayan, brown siya guys. Okay? And then, ganyan siya sa harap. Ganito siya sa likod. This is very nice also guys, especially when you have periods. Kasi cover lahat ang iyong iyong butt. Ayan, ganyan siya din sa loob. Ayan, so, ayan siya guys. Maganda naman siya guys. Ayan. Large. This is large silang dalawa. And then, tell me guys which one is better. The green one or the this one, the brown one. Okay, excited na ako isuot sila, so let's wear this. Ayan, my clothes pala is all the way from Brazil, all the way from TikTok. Ayan, so guys, let's go. Suot na natin sila guys. Okay, so guys, ito siya. Ito yung kanyang green. This is the green one. Very nice fittings. Very, very nice. I like it so much, guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then, ganito siya sa likod. Pak. Maganda siya sa likod, guys. I like it. Ayan. Ayan. Likod, guys. This is, ayan siya. Ayan. Maganda yung kanyang fittings, guys. And then, yan. Maganda din yung quality. Ayan. I like it. Tingnan natin yung isa, guys. Which one is better. Kasi siya, ito, light color siya dito. Ayan. Light color siya. Pero yung isa is brown. So, tingnan natin which one is better. Okay? Let me know, guys, in the comment section which one is better. The one or ito, okay? Suot natin yung isa yan. Ganyan siya. Ganito sa likod, guys. I like it also, guys, when it comes to here. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys, ng fittings. I really like it. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. So, I like it also yung ganyan niya pa. Maganda siya guys. I like it. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Very, very cute one. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you so much.